Last night we targeted a hail-producing supercell thunderstorm that produced a high volume of pretty large hail, so golf ball to even tennis ball size, over a pretty large swath. We managed to make 13 measurement stops. We probably measured several hundred hailstones.
Large hail production as opposed to some of the frontal storms.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tanya Brown, Lead Research Engineer and Director of Hail Research at the Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety. For the past few years, Dr. Ian Giamenko and I have led a one-of-a-kind hail field research study with the goal of reducing property losses and improving weather forecast models and radar detection of hail. As part of this effort, IBHS is studying hailstorms primarily in the Central Plains region of the U.S. in an attempt to better understand the characteristics of damaging hail. Our goals for this unique project are to quantify natural hailstone hardness by evaluating the compressive force required to fracture a hailstone. We also deploy impact probes in the field to measure the hail size distribution and the impact energy of falling hailstones in the storms that we target. We are working to provide ground truth data to evaluate the performance of new experimental dual polarization radar hail size algorithms, and we hope that our data can be used to validate storm scale hail simulation models. 2014 was our third year of conducting the Hail Field study. Our 2014 team consisted of 9 IBHS staff members and 3 representatives from State Farm Insurance Company.
We have limited resources and staff in our shop, and there's so many research avenues that we'd like to pursue, and IBHS helps us to do that.
Our field study also included a collaboration with Penn State Assistant Professor of Meteorology, Dr. Matt Cumgen, who is working with IBHS to improve hail detection, forecasting, and modeling capabilities.
I found out what Tanya and Ian had been doing for several years now, which is the hailstone collection, and that type of information is really important for what I'm doing for the radar detection studies. So we're sort of rethinking the way of using the radar to detect not only the hail location, but then try to figure out sort of the swath along the ground, basically the types of and sizes of hailstones within that swath.
As we start to understand the signatures of the storms and what's happening and how the hail falls, it helps having that information with respect to deployment for claims adjusters and others. We know where the hail has fallen. We can get to our policyholders and help them immediately and have an idea of what's going on.
Our study also provides valuable data and insights for shaping ongoing work at the IBHS Research Center. We evaluate the characteristics of natural hailstones in order to accurately manufacture artificial hailstones at the Research Center. Data from our impact probes will guide our full-scale hailstorm simulations. As this research has never been done before, it's critical that we continue this study to make significant strides toward improving forecast accuracy and the evaluation of hail and hailstorms. Currently, we have cataloged more than 2,500 hailstones, but we still have a long way to go. We hope that collaborations with State Farm and Dr. Cumgen will help us increase our capability to collect valuable data and continue to build on the field research we have started.